आजकल क्या कर रहे हैं आप? What you are doing like every day and how is your life going on?
Okay. For 3 days, I'm not able to sleep.
हाँ, first of all sit you like could you please sit proper? हाँ, you do not have to like lean down, okay? Just sit proper.
This is the interview.
हाँ, it's a kind of you can say.
Okay. First of all, from 3 days, I'm not able to sleep.
हाँ.
Better sleep because
I'm not able to sleep. You can मैं सो नहीं पा रहा हूँ, right?
Yes.
I am not able to sleep.
because my life is not going on better
Okay, why?
because at night
हाँ.
I keep on get up.
I keep on हिंदी बोलो. First of all tell me
मैं
हिंदी
जगता
से.
रहता हूँ.
मैं जागता रहता हूँ.
हाँ.
I do not sleep. Simple बोल सकते हैं.
I do not sleep.
I am not able to sleep at night.
Okay. I am not able to sleep at night
Okay.
because going on is sentence my mind.
हिंदी बोली भी थोड़ा सा आप.
Sentence मतलब
माइंड में
mind
चलते
में.
रहते हैं.
हाँ.
सेंटेंस कीप्स ऑन गोइंग. क्या बोलोगे?
Sentence is keep on going.
Simple you can say I keep on thinking about the sentences. I keep on thinking about English all the time.
I keep on thinking about all time
English.
English.
Okay.
So this life
So this is going on, right?
Yes.
Okay. And why do you keep on thinking all the time? Why do you keep on thinking all the time about sentences?
because I'm not able to improve my English.
Okay.
I'm not able to speak here,
Okay.
there.
On the spot.
So I thinking.
I keep on thinking.
I keep on thinking. I will speak. What I will speak.
What I have to speak.
What I have to speak
Okay.
here. So I thinking.
But I believe that when you came in the institute at the first time, you were not able to speak.
Yes.
You were not able to present yourself. But after some time, that spending 1 month or 2 months, at least you are able to speak in English.
Yeah.
So don't you think that you are speaking good, better than before? You are learning nowadays. Do you think that I am learning? I will improve.
Literally, I am able to speak English, but I am not able to perfect speak.
You are not able to speak fluently, right? You
Yeah.
are saying like this, okay? So what you are doing for this? What do you do every day? Do you read any kind of books, or do you do something? Do you listen anyone? Do you speak with someone? What do you do?
I study a small notebook.
I study. Okay, you
Yes.
have a book.
Yes.
Okay.
Because आपसे लेकर गया था.
Speak in English. So you can speak Hindi a little bit as well. Okay. बोलो.
I take it.
I took it from you.
I took it from you.
Okay.
Then I will. Sorry. I went to at home. Then I will study every day.
हाँ, कर रहा हूँ. I'm reading. You are not studying. Okay.
I am reading every day.
You are reading that book every day.
Yeah.
Okay. So how many pages have you completed? And
One.
what is the book name? What can you please tell me the book name as well?
7 short story.
Shorts, not shorts.
Shorts.
Okay. There are 7 stories,
Yeah.
right? Okay. So how many like stories have you finished? Have you read?
No.
You have not read, but you are saying that I have read. I read the book. I am reading the book. You are saying.
I did not complete 2 pages.
Okay.
Because I completed 1 page.
You have completed 1 page. Only.
Yes. So
So do you think by reading that you can improve your English? Do you think
yes, I
Okay.
think improve my English.
you can improve your English?
Yes.
All right, but I will suggest you that you have to that talk with anyone. You have to find out the people who speaks in English better than you, and you can talk with him. Like you can talk like for 4 to 5 minutes, for 10 minutes. If he has a lot of time, you can give him a lot of time. Okay.
Okay. I talk my brother Devendra.
Devendra, you have a brother Devendra. Okay.
Every time. So
Does he speak in English? Devendra कहाँ है? Where is Devendra? Okay. He speaks in okay.
yes, he
He speaks.
speaks good.
Okay. He
but
speaks better.
But some question it not perfect.
He is not able to make the proper sentence.
Yes, he
You are
is
saying
not
like that?
able to
make the proper
perfect
sentence.
sentence.
Okay. So I would like to give you feedback. The major feedback is this, that when you are speaking, you are doing before than better. Good. Okay. So I will suggest you that you have to find out the people that who speaks good better than you. Okay. You can find many people, 2 and 3 people, if you have anyone in the class. And if you do not have anyone in the class, I can that provide you number. I have many trainees, I have many students, I have taught them. They will talk to you, right? So you have to just find out the partner and talk with them and speak English at
Okay,
any
sir.
cost.
Okay.
All right. Anything else do you want to ask from me?
No, sir.
All right. Thank you so much. Okay. Please.